Can ChatGPT really build a complete working website from just one prompt? I tested it and this is the result. A full AI tool finder for Fisi Tech Lab with a modern design, searchable tools, categories, tutorials, and interactive elements, without me writing a single line of code. I started from a new ChatGPT conversation and opened Sites. Instead of building each section manually, I gave ChatGPT one detailed prompt. I asked it to create a modern website called Fisi Tech Lab AI Tool Finder, designed to help beginners discover the right AI tool for different tasks. I also asked for ChatGPT, Gemini, NotebookLM, image tools, video tools, productivity tools, search, category filters, tutorials, and a clear YouTube call to action. Then I sent the prompt and let ChatGPT do the work. It started creating the structure, pages, design, and interactive elements. During the process, ChatGPT asked for permission when it needed to continue part of the task. After that, it kept building the site automatically. But I didn't want to stop with the first version. I asked ChatGPT to make the website feel more futuristic, improve the visual design, and create a stronger AI lab-style experience. I also wanted the tool finder to be interactive, so users could choose what they wanted to do and get relevant AI tool suggestions. And this was the result. The homepage now has a strong hero section with a clear message. Find the right AI tool for what you want to do. The design feels much more like a real technology website than a basic AI-generated page. Scrolling down, ChatGPT created a tool explorer with categories for ChatGPT, Gemini, NotebookLM, Image AI, Video AI, and Productivity. It also added tool cards and a search function, so users can quickly narrow down what they need. There is also a tutorials section, plus a dedicated YouTube call to action for Fisi Tech Lab. Now I wanted to prove that this was not just a preview inside ChatGPT. I opened the site in a normal browser. The website uses ChatGPT to securely sign in, and after the login flow, the site opens as a real working web experience. The interactive elements actually work. I can search, switch categories, browse the different AI tools, and move through the website just like a normal site. So can ChatGPT build and publish a real website from one prompt? Yes. You can start with a single prompt, improve the design through normal conversation, add interactive features, and end up with a working website without manually coding it yourself. This is one of the most practical ChatGPT features I've tested so far. If you want more real tests of new AI tools and ChatGPT features, subscribe to Fisi Tech Lab. And tell me in the comments what you want me to test next.